Customer service teams have to multitask to ensure high customer satisfaction, better operational efficiency, and agent development. They are constantly shifting between multiple applications and products to get their work done. Scheduling, training, and reporting are all time-consuming activities that require a lot of attention. All the while, managers are always on call for their teams. Whether it's helping to solve a problem or just being there to talk, managers have a lot of responsibilities. Workforce optimization for customer service equips managers and teams with the tools they need to respond to ever-changing demands and service expectations they face daily. Using advanced omni-channel routing, shift scheduling, team performance reporting, coaching, and skills management, we'll show you how one customer service manager is changing the way she and her team get work done. Amy Jones is the manager of a customer support team. When she starts her day, she needs to be able to see a real-time assessment of her team and the workload demand they are facing, in order to properly prioritize work and maximize the team's value. The landing page, which can be configured using the UI Builder, provides a real-time overview of the current workload and team performance. These alerts provide managers with information regarding help requests submitted by agents, including overdue learning tasks, time-off requests, and shift swap requests initiated by agents. She can see the stats on team performance, like satisfaction rate and service levels for interaction and average waiting times. Work management also gives her instant visibility into the volume of interactions across channels, today's work status, and open P1 cases. With resource management, managers can view real-time insights on utilization rates, top use skills in the last 24 hours, and team performance. The channel management application provides her with a configurable, real-time look at channel-specific metrics like agents available, resolution details, handling times, and other vital stats specific to the various channels that her team support. She can also view the details of ongoing work, queues, and agent availability. Additionally, she can monitor chat queues and see messages that are being exchanged in real time. She can also choose to jump into certain interactions and provide helpful comments to agents without the end user knowing. Schedule lets her create and update employee schedules with visibility into staffing coverage through any given date and even time intervals of 15, 30, and 60 minutes. She can create schedules to support a variety of models, including 24/7 coverage and follow the sun. Demand Forecast helps managers to view their agent staffing forecast at 15, 30, and 60-minute intervals on the team calendar. This feature enables managers to adjust and prioritize schedules, tasks, breaks, and meetings for their agents without impacting service objectives. Schedule adherence helps her track if agents are working according to their planned schedules, boosting efficiency and accountability. By analyzing clock-in and clock-out events, she gains clear visibility into adherence and conformance metrics, enabling better forecasting, resource planning, and targeted coaching to close performance gaps. Agents can manage their own schedules by requesting shift swaps with their peers. This empowers them and removes the burden of the manager having to manually adjust their schedules. The Teams application provides a window into the configured profiles of various teams. Relevant KPIs that she defines for those teams are displayed to provide insight into their performance and efficiency. Amy can manage her team's work assignments easily by customizing the work queue to display the most relevant work items. This allows her to gain insights into which agents have been recommended to work on a task based on the mandatory and optional skills they have. More detailed views of individuals within those teams are also available to monitor the quality of service to determine what factors are contributing to positive and negative scores. Agent profiles provide relevant information about the agent, such as their individual stats, assignment group, team members, upcoming time off, overdue trainings, and more. The coaching application gives Amy a way to monitor the quality of the work her team is completing, allowing her to identify skill gaps and deliver targeted training. By leveraging real-time performance insights, assessments, and predictive intelligence, managers can proactively coach agents. She can configure individual quality indicators to focus on coaching and training opportunities. Additionally, she can track the skills that are most in demand and compare them with the skills her team has. Finally, she can view and track quality score trends for each team she manages. In the Assessments tab, she can easily evaluate agent performance using embedded assessments to rate them, provide feedback, assign skills, and train them. Using the Skills tab, she can manage all her team's skills and proficiencies from one single view using the skill matrix. Ongoing maintenance of her team's skills is automated with predictive intelligence and skill recommendations. Workforce optimization for customer service combines the essential tools that customer service teams need into one integrated and intuitive product. This makes it easier to adapt to the ever-changing technological landscape while meeting the challenge of providing a great customer service experience. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.